Hi, welcome to the practice questions on being able to find equivalent fractions. What I'd like you to do now is to pause this video, have a go at question 1, 2 and 3. What you've got to do is fill in where the question mark is to make this pair of fractions equivalent. And when you're happy with your results or your answers, please then restart the video and go through the model answers with me. So pause the video now and try and fill in these blanks to questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these 4 questions together. Question 1 then. What I've got to do is I've got to find out what this question mark is here. So I'm looking at my denominators and you can see that I've changed my denominator here from 3 to 15. What have I done to do that? Well, I've multiplied it by 5. So to keep the fraction equivalent, I must multiply the top by 5 as well. 2 times 5's going to give me 10. So my answer for this one would be 10 over 15 as an equivalent fraction to 2/3. Question 2. This time I'm going the opposite way. I'm going from 20 to 5. What have I done to the 20 to get it to 5? Well, I've divided 20 by 4. So I need to do the same to the numerator. If I divide 8 by 4, I get 2. So my second one becomes 2/5 as an equivalent fraction to 8 over 20. Question 3 then. This time I've gone from the 6 to the 2, so my numerator has changed by dividing 6 by 3. So I need to divide the denominator by 3 as well to keep this fraction equivalent. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So my equivalent fraction becomes 2 over 7. Question 4 then. This time I've got 2 missing numbers here. Let's look at the first one first here. 14 to 7. I've divided now the numerator by 2. So I need to also divide my denominator by 2. So this first one becomes 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So writing this out again, I get 7 over 9. Now, of course, I can work from this one here. I could say, what have I done to the 9 to get to 36? Well, I've timesed it by 4, so I'll have to times the 7 by 4 as well. Or, of course, I could just go back to the first one. So 18 to 36 would be times by 2. 14 times by 2 gives me 28. So let's just write this in here from this one. What have I done to the 9 to get to 36? I've multiplied it by 4. So I must also multiply the 7 by 4 as well, which gives me 28. I can write this down now as 28 over 36. This is my equivalent fraction.